Welcome. In this video, we will cover how to apply exemptions. The View Exemptions section is within the HOS feature of the app, and this is where drivers will see what exemptions are available to them. The exemptions will vary depending on your rule set and your company policies. If your company allows for any of these exemptions, they will be turned on in your profile page by your administrator. A few of the most common exemptions utilized are adverse driving conditions, yard move, and personal conveyance. For information about when drivers should use these exemptions, you'll need to contact either your admin or fleet manager. To apply an exemption, drivers will simply click the Start button and add an annotation about why they are selecting that exemption. Click Apply, and you will get a gray pop-up indicating that the exemption has been applied. You might also notice that if you scroll up, the duty statuses have been grayed out. To get out or to end an exemption, simply click the Stop button. That's all we have for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.